Hi everyone, Mark here at Marathon Press, and I'm just going to share with you a little bit of information about how to insert an image into a Marathon template. You might be a little new or maybe a little rusty since you've used Photoshop, so I thought I'd share with you how to do this easily. What you want to do is obviously pick the template that you want to start with. And once you've got that, in my case, I've got this particular design and I'm going to bring my image in. Now I've got a family off to the side here that's just in the leaves, and I'm going to use that for my example. And I'm going to go back, activate this particular template with my card. And when I look here, I'm going to see a couple of different um, layers here, and the layer I'm particularly interested is in this image copy layer. I'm going to drop down to the sub menu and I want to activate the layer that says color fill 1. So you'll be able to tell which layer is active by the color that's highlighted in there. So it's important that we have this color fill 1 activated. Now once that's activated, all I have to do is go get my image. In this case, I'm just going to drag it on over on top of my file, on top of my template, and you'll see it covers up everything, which is what you can expect to begin with. That's normal, but we need to hide that obviously and get it behind the mask or that template. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go up and find our layer menu, and we're going to drop down to create clipping mask, and you'll see it drops it right in behind there. Now in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize this. So I'm going to go up to edit, transform, scale. I'm going to hold my shift key down and I'm just going to drag that like that. That enables me to position this anywhere I want, any size that I want, and you just eyeball it to how you're comfortable with it. When you think you got it, just hit enter. I'm going to nudge this a little, and there I've got it. And I can make any other changes that I want to, but the thing to pay attention to is there is a top layer here that says trim area, turn layer off. So we want to turn that trim area off before we flatten our file, because that's really just a reference so that you'll know what the die looks like. But Marathon needs that extra material there in order for us to die cut that and have the proper bleed. So before you flatten your file, make sure that that is turned off, and you can do that simply by turning off the eyeball. And then I can go up, layer, flatten image, and as long as everything's the way you want it, you're good to go. My recommendation would be, before you ever flatten it, save it as a layer file with a different name, so if you have to go back and make adjustments, you can. But once you're ready, flatten your file, get it off to Marathon, and place your order. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, simply call Marathon Press at 800 228 0629. Thanks. Thanks.